While AI systems proliferate through modern offices, pop culture has sold us an apocalyptic storyline. A massive wave of code is coming to wash away the human workforce, replacing us entirely. The real workplace friction stems from the dangerous ways we currently integrate humans and machines. When a tool sounds authoritative, users often stop thinking for themselves. This triggers the Deskilling paradox, the gradual erosion of our own problem-solving skills as we outsource the heavy lifting to software. This reliance leads to the black box problem. An AI takes in raw data and outputs a decision, while its internal logic remains hidden. When training data is biased, the machine scales those prejudices in high-stakes fields like hiring. Surrendering discernment to an opaque algorithm amplifies our worst human flaws at an industrial scale. To survive this technological shift, modern businesses are evolving into hybrid structures known as centaur organizations. A centaur organization rejects the idea of AI as a worker replacement. It treats artificial intelligence as a force multiplier, a tool specifically designed to elevate human judgment. The goal of the current era involves combining computational scale with human wisdom. Successful collaboration between human and machine requires dividing labor strictly along the lines of their opposing cognitive profiles. AI possesses computational power that allows it to process petabytes of information at speeds far beyond human capacity. It spots hidden correlations invisible to the human eye, delivering the quantitative what. This matrix maps the divide. While AI handles the quantitative scale on the left, humans provide the qualitative elements on the right: empathy, contextual awareness, and ethical reasoning. Humans navigate ambiguity to deliver the why and what now. This creates the golden rule of the centaur framework, letting the machine manage the numbers so the human can manage the meaning. In modern radiology, we can see this division of labor in high-stakes environments. An AI system can instantly scan thousands of MRIs, reliably flagging microscopic patterns or early signs of a tumor that a fatigued doctor might overlook. However, the AI does not make the final diagnosis. It operates solely on probabilities, supplying raw data and potential concerns. The human doctor interprets those findings. They apply clinical intuition, verify the diagnosis in the context of the patient's holistic health, and deliver the treatment plan with empathy and sensitivity. This chart shows the impact. When human pathologists collaborate with AI, the rate of cancer diagnosis errors drops by 85%. The hybrid team outperforms humans or machines working alone. In corporate strategy, executive decision-making is moving away from gut feelings toward precise, data-driven decisions. AI acts as a challenger. It models millions of market scenarios and supply chain disruptions, forecasting trends to prevent executive groupthink. Yet human intervention remains mandatory. An algorithm might recommend eliminating a customer service channel to cut costs by 15%. A human leader must evaluate that choice against the long-term cost of losing brand loyalty. Data without context is just noise. Executive wisdom acts as the filter that makes AI-generated insights safe and actionable. To build this collaborative environment, workers must evolve from being makers of raw output to managers of AI agents. This transition depends on employees being able to trust the tools they are managing. This diagram illustrates Explainable AI, the structural solution to the black box problem. An AI system must show its math, displaying the weighted variables it used so humans can audit the output for bias and inaccuracies. Algorithmic transparency provides the foundational requirement for safely keeping a human in the loop and building a collaborative workforce. Operating in this loop requires specific competencies. Workers must master prompt engineering, speaking its language to set boundaries, and data literacy, to understand the raw materials feeding the system. The most critical skill remains the refusal to outsource moral discernment. The human must act as the ultimate fact-checker, reviewing every output before it reaches the real world. Artificial intelligence clarifies the specific value of human workers. The future belongs to organizations using the computational power of machines to isolate, amplify, and empower the empathy and wisdom that make us uniquely human.